Title: Essential Words and Daily. Conversations. Learn English. Episode 2. Introduction. The text appears on the screen slowly and the narration is clear. Welcome to the second episode of our English learning series. In this lesson, we will focus on common vocabulary, simple sentences, and practical conversations. These will help you communicate effectively in everyday situations. Let's get started. One section, Common Words for Everyday Use. Here are some important words that you will use often. Repeat each word after me. 1. Hello. 2. Goodbye. 3. Please. 4. Thank you. 5. Sorry. 6. Yes. 7. No. 8. Help. 9. Friend. 10. Food. Practice sentences. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Can you help me, please? 2 section, Basic sentences for conversations. Let's practice some simple sentences that are useful for daily conversations. Introducing yourself. My name is your name. I am from your country. I live in your city. Asking questions. What is your name? Where are you from? How are you? Do you speak English? Practice dialogue. Hi, what is your name? B, my name is Sarah. What is your name? A, my name is John. Nice to meet you. B, nice to meet you too. A section, Numbers and Counting. Numbers are essential in everyday life. Let's start with the basics. Numbers 1 to 20. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Practice counting. There are 3 books on the table. I have 10 pencils in my bag. 4 section, Daily Activities and Time. Now, let's talk about your daily routines and how to express time. Daily activities. Wake up. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Study. Watch TV. Go to bed. Practice sentences. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I eat lunch at 12 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. E section, Asking for and Giving Directions. Here are some phrases for asking and giving directions. Asking for directions. Excuse me, where's the bus station? Can you help me find the nearest restaurant? Giving directions. Go straight ahead. Turn left at the corner. It's next to the bank. Practice dialogue. A, excuse me, where is the train station? B, go straight ahead and turn right. It's on your left. 6. Section, Shopping Vocabulary. Let's learn some words and sentences you can use while shopping. Common words. Price, expensive, cheap, money, discount. Practice sentences. How much is this? It's too expensive. Do you have a discount? Conclusion. In this lesson, we learned essential words, sentences, and conversations for everyday use. Practice them daily and you'll improve quickly. See you in the next episode.